As a prepper, it's important to know where to go to get supplies and survival gear, and one place where you can get a lot of what you need is Tractor Supply. They have locations in almost every U.S. state, and while most people think of them as just like a farm and ranch store, they also have a ton of stuff that's useful for emergency preparedness, and that's true whether you're a homesteader, live in the suburbs, or an apartment. So today we're going to go over the best prepper and survival items at Tractor Supply. Now, before we get started with that though, if you're new here, my name is JR, and this channel is all about practical, budget-friendly preparedness for regular folks like us, so go ahead and hit subscribe so that you don't miss what's coming up. So the first thing that they have, and probably one of the most important, is bulk water storage containers. Tractor Supply is a good place to pick up brand new 55-gallon water barrels, IBC totes, those are the big ones that you see riding around in the back of work trucks, and even larger tanks that can hold 1,000 gallons or more. You can use those containers for large-scale water storage and also rainwater catchment systems. Now, since these are new, they are going to cost a lot more than used containers, but the problem with buying used containers is that you don't always know what was stored in them previously. The biggest issue would be if they had been used to store chemicals, and that happens a lot, especially with IBC totes, and you don't want any of that mess like leaching out into your drinking water. It tends to get absorbed into the plastic even when it was washed, but if you buy water containers new, then you're not going to have to worry about all that. Then Tractor Supply is probably my favorite place to go pick up 5-gallon buckets, and the reason for that is that their buckets are clearly labeled as food grade and BPA free. That's not something that you'll always find other places, and if you're using your buckets for food storage, then it's pretty stinking important. I also like to use their buckets as planter pots for my container garden, and knowing that they don't have a bunch of extra crap in them makes them nice for that as well. You can also pick up some gamma lids there. If you don't know what those are, they're basically just upgraded lids that turn your buckets into watertight containers that you can open and shut over and over again. They're great for anything that you need to keep pests out of, but still want to have regular access to. Like we used to have one on the bucket that we kept our dog food in. Then Tractor Supply is also a good place to pick up different canning supplies. They've got pretty much everything that you need to get started, including pressure canners, jars, lids, rings, and even complete kits. And if you grow your own fruits or vegetables, or even just want to preserve food that you buy from like a grocery store or farmer's market, then having canning supplies is a pretty big deal. It'll allow you to extend the shelf life of your food and also help prevent waste. After that, Tractor Supply was my go-to place for pet food for several years, and they have pretty much everything that you may need. Like they've got food for dogs, cats, and even other animals like rabbits. But if you have livestock, then they're even better. You can get feed for chickens, pigs, and horses, along with bales of hay. And during the spring and summer months, you can even buy baby chicks, which if you've been thinking about getting into raising chickens or, getting your own eggs, then that's a pretty good way to get started. Then something a lot of folks don't realize is that Tractor Supply is also a good place to pick up medications for your animals. They've got stuff to treat skin conditions, wounds, pain, and common parasites. You just want to make sure that you know what you're buying, because sometimes what they're selling is the exact same thing as generic human medications, and you can usually get those generics a lot cheaper than their special veterinary versions, even though it could literally be the exact same pill with the exact same markings. Then on top of all that, a lot of Tractor Supply locations have preventive veterinary clinics that come through on a regular basis. They offer vaccinations, heartworm meds, and deworming. Our location usually advertises the dates for those clinics on a folding sign right next to the entrance, so you might want to keep an eye out for those if you don't have like a regular vet or in between vets. Then if you want to start a garden or you already have one, then you can get pretty much everything that you need there. Being able to grow your own food is one of the most valuable skills that a prepper could have, and you can get most of what you need to get started with just one trip to Tractor Supply. They've got garden plants, soil, and fertilizer. They also sell the hand tools that you'll need like rakes, shovels, garden sprayers, and pruning saws. And if you're into composting, they also sell compost tumblers, which can help you turn kitchen scraps into and yard waste into something that'll actually improve your soil and reduce your dependence on chemical fertilizers. And that's a pretty big deal right now with what's going on with the Strait of Hormuz. Then another thing you can pick up at Tractor Supply is fencing materials, and those are very useful for keeping unwanted people off of your property or preventing your animals from getting out. They have T-post, barbed wire, chain link, wooden post, electric fences, and even gates. And with most of that stuff, you can either set it up now or just keep it in storage until you actually need it. And having fencing materials set aside could be a very big deal if you need to quickly secure an area or make a repair during a disaster. Then Tractor Supply also sells empty propane tanks, and they provide refill services. And owning your tanks is a far better option for people who use propane frequently than those tank exchanges you see at places like Walmart and gas stations. When you buy a new tank, it's going to be qualified for at least 12 years from its date of manufacture, which is a very long time. Then when you have it refilled, you're paying for propane by the gallon, similar to how you'd buy gas. And when they refill it, they do it almost all the way. With a tank exchange, they usually only fill a standard 20-pound tank to around like 15 pounds. So right off the bat, you're getting shorted 5 pounds of propane every single time that you do it, and you're also wasting whatever propane that you had left at the bottom of your tank. The math on tank exchanges just doesn't make sense if you're using propane on a regular basis or if you're trying to build an emergency supply like a lot of us. Another thing that you can pick up at Tractor Supply is books, and while a lot of places sell books, the ones that you can find there are actually relevant to what we do. They cover topics like survival, gardening, and DIY projects. And even though they only may have like one rack of books, there's probably more pages of useful information there than what's in most regular bookstores. You could build a decent reference library in just one shopping trip. And the nice thing about books is that they'll be there whether you have electricity and the internet or not. Then Tractor Supply is also a good place to pick up work clothes, and they have a mix of name brand stuff and less expensive store brands. You can get all sorts of things like jeans, shirts, work gloves, hats, and cold weather clothes during the winter months. And during an emergency, you're gonna want to have clothes that could kind of take a beating. You'll probably be doing more manual labor like clearing debris, working in your garden, or making repairs to your home. And having durable clothes is one of those things that most people tend to overlook, especially if they don't do that sort of thing regularly. Like, I'd hate to have to dig a latrine wearing the clothes that I had to wear back when I was a teacher. That would just be terrible. After that, Tractor Supply also has most of what you need for pest control. Insects and rodents are infamous for spreading disease, and that problem will get a whole lot worse during a long-term survival situation when trash collection stops and sanitation goes downhill. Having what you need to keep bugs and rodents out of your home, your yard, and your garden would be incredibly important. Then they also sell different types of animal traps. You can find your standard mouse traps, as well as larger catch and release traps that work for everything from squirrels to raccoons. And animals that you catch can either be released somewhere else or, if needed, eaten. And while most of us don't make a habit of eating our yard critters, having the option to do so might be a good thing in the wrong situation. Then Tractor Supply also has a lot of different kinds of tools. They have power tools from professional brands like Makita and DeWalt. And having good power tools allows you to get work done fast, and that's important during an emergency, like if there's a hurricane or some other storm headed your way and you need to board up your windows, then having a decent drill is going to be important. You don't want some no-name piece of junk that's going to start motor smoking if you dare try to use it for more than like 5 or 10 minutes. They also sell hand tools from brands like Crescent, along with larger things like axes, sledgehammers, and mattocks. So you should be able to get most of what you need to build stuff or make repairs to your home or equipment. Then beyond that, they've got chainsaws, which would be very useful if you had to clear fallen limbs after a storm, and then also generators that you could use during power outages, although their selection on those is pretty limited. Tractor Supply also has things like tarps for covering equipment, firewood, or for temporarily patching holes in your roof or windows, along with super glue, epoxies, and duct tape for smaller repairs. And those are items that a lot of folks overlook, but could make a very big difference if you start to have trouble with your gear. If you have large equipment like a tractor, you can also find come-alongs and chains to help transport them or other large pieces of equipment. And those are things that you're probably not going to be able to find in most big box stores. After that, Tractor Supply also has most of what you need to keep your vehicles and power equipment running during an emergency. They sell color-coded gas cans for different fuel types, and most of what they sell are just plain Jane gas cans, but you can also get slightly better no spill and Eagle cans as well. And you can also get other essentials like motor oil and diesel exhaust fluid, along with replacement tires for lawn mowers. Then, if you have a tractor, they have spare parts for those, and that's nice since being able to maintain and repair your own equipment is a huge advantage when you can't just call somebody to come out and fix it for you. Then, aside from all those, Tractor Supply also has a few more things that preppers may find useful. First, they have gun safes in several different sizes, ranging from small cabinet style ones all the way to larger, heavier units that can hold dozens of firearms. They also sell decent quality knives from companies like Case and Kershaw, along with Leatherman multi-tools. I was even able to find a work sharp knife and tool sharpener at my store. I don't have one of those, but the folks that do seem to like them pretty good. Now, when it comes to stores that have a lot of what preppers would need, Tractor Supply definitely isn't the only one out there. So if you want to see the best prepper and survival items at Harbor Freight, then click here. Or if you want to see the best prepper and survival items at Walmart, then click here. Thank y'all for stopping by. Y'all have a good one.